everybody, it's Laura with Jot and Tittle Vintage Typewriters. It is typewriter day here at Jot and Tittle, and getting ready to do some filming. Took some photos. My house is always a complete wreck on typewriter day because I dismantle everything. But anyway, we're going to take a look at a 5TE today, which if you've watched any of my videos, you know that is my absolute favorite model of typewriter. But this one I haven't seen before. It says electric 5, as in like V. You'll see here in a second. V. It says electric 5 on it, and it was manufactured in the very last year that they designed the 5TEs or manufactured them. They made them then. So I'm very interested in seeing if there's anything different about it. The only thing I've noticed so far is the keys are thicker. I love the flat tombstone keys of that's typically on a 5TE, but I haven't even tried it out yet. I'm going to try it out for the first time with you all. So I'm all set up. Let's go take a look at this electric 5V and see what we think. Okay, so here's that electric 5 I was just mentioning, and this isn't going to be a tutorial video. I'm just showing it off to you because it really does operate the same as the 5TE. But there's that electric 5, and I've never seen that before, but it is a 5TE according to the serial number, and this was made in 1961, which is the last year that the 5TEs were manufactured. So the only difference that I've found on this typewriter that's different from the other 5TEs that I have or I've come across is the keys are a little bit thicker. Mine have the very thin, like a tombstone key. These are the kind of the more oval or heart shape, not heart shape, but anyway, a rounded triangular look, but it's thicker as well. Also, the color selector, you'll only see a black and a red option, but there really is that white stencil option. It's just right in between. They just haven't identified it here on the typewriter. But other than that, everything else works exactly the same on this as the other 5TEs. So let's take a look at it. And I've got our backing paper on here. I highly recommend using a backing paper. We've got some. It's only $12 for 16 pages, and that includes shipping. So that's a stellar deal. Let's go ahead and turn that on. I've got tabs or margins set. I did type on it before I recorded, and this thing is super duper fast. It makes me feel like I'm a slow typist. So I'll just type on it so you can see. 1961. Smith Corona Electric 5. I feel like this typewriter is saying, is that all you got? Seriously, this typewriter could handle very fast typists. So if you're a fast typist, you need to grab this or grab a model like this. This one works amazing. I recommend, as you know, 5TE is my absolute favorite typewriter. So this is going to be excellent for those of you who have a heavy workload, or you have extensive writing that you do on your typewriter. This is also ideal for those that have smaller petite hands or just a light touch for typing, fast typist. Some examples are like younger children or teens who just have smaller hands, or they're just a little more timid with a typewriter. This would be an excellent choice for them. Another type of person that this would work for, and we do get those that ask about it, is some of the older folks who may have arthritis or Parkinson's or other things where they've lost some of the strength in their fingers, but they still would love to type on a typewriter. This would be ideal. So Thanks for taking a look at this Electric 5. I literally have never seen another one. I only found one image in the typewriter database gallery, so I suspect they're not out there very much, and I haven't done any research to find out why they imprinted the Electric 5 on there instead of just keeping it the regular 5TE. I don't know. Anyway, hope you found this interesting. We'll see you guys next time.